Hi, good morning. I hope you're doing well. Hope you enjoyed a nice long break from school and schoolwork, and hopefully you're able to just rest and enjoy some time at home over the Thanksgiving weekend. Here's our plan for today, and then I'll talk you through some of the things that we're supposed to, or I'm hoping to get through this week. I'll try to do a better job of making sure I'm making these videos to you sooner, but my schedule throughout the day sometimes makes that difficult, but I'm going to try. What we'll do today is we'll read chapter 5, section 2.1, which is about exploration, the discovery of Americas, and then the triangular trade that resulted because of that. So it all involves sugar, slaves, and slave trade between three different continents. And that's not all, but those are some of the main components from the triangular trade. And then there's an assignment that we'll complete as well. I'm not sure if we'll get to the second part, 2.2, which is it's an idea or a process called the Columbian Exchange right here. And we'll talk through that a little bit as we read it. I think what we'll for sure get through is this, chapter 5, section 2.1. So that's what I'll put in your classroom here for you to do as an assignment. I did check. I haven't looked through all your work yet. I just wanted to see if you had it finished, and you do. I'm going to look through it, hopefully in this next little bit, and get it back to you. And then I'll put the quiz in there for you to take as well. And as I'm talking, I'm remembering that 7th period was a little bit behind everybody else. So there's another smaller assignment that's going to take your profile, and we're going to do this comparison here. I'll pull it up here real quick so that way you can see it. Let's go right here. So we'll take your slide, and I have a document that I'll put in your classroom, and you will compare your country to another country. And you'll answer just a few questions related to the physical geography and the people, as well as reasons why you would decide, or reasons why you would think there would be similarities and why you think there would be differences. So the document will have 4 other countries to compare to. I'm only going to have you guys do 2. So you just compare your country, Cuba, to 2 other countries, any of them other than the ones that are, if there's another Cuba out there. Okay. And then that should get us through today. I'll have another video with the assignment and kind of what we're doing through that day. If you do have questions, please continue to email me, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great rest of your day.